Hello, I hope you're having a great day. So I am at the Knoxville Farmers Market again, and today is Unicorn Day. So we have a table over here, and we are giving out free unicorn books as supplies last, and then we have some other books just to hand out to families if they come. So hopefully we have a good turnout and a lot of kiddos show up today. I have some free little unicorn tattoos, keychains, hand slap wrestlings, masks, along with my bouquets. So here is the order that the bouquets went, and then I have to give a little bit of tidbit of information on maybe why. So the bouquets sold in the order 5, 4, 2, 3, 1, and 6. And my favorite bouquet this week was number 5. It went first, but there's a reason it went first. Somebody came up and they said, I don't care, you just pick me out one. And that one was my favorite, so it went first this week. It might not have if an actual person would have picked it out. So that was the order. Congratulations. I saw a lot of people pick the 2 and the 3, and they were up there. So it's really cool to see like what people think and then which ones sell first and like the style. Because I think I can kind of mimic that style, but still do my own style because they usually go. So some other news, so we had Unicorn Day at the farmer's market and we gave away free books. And I think all the vendors had a really great day. I completely sold out of everything I had and had to pack up because around 11 o'clock, I didn't have anything left. My entire tables were empty and I was just telling people, I'm sorry, like I ran out this week, which I took more than I've ever taken to a farmer's market in my life, and it was a week that is not normally even busy, but it was a gorgeous day, like gorgeous morning. And I think people just came out. People came out to get the books. A lot of people got my $5 bouquets. There was a dance recital, like the last dance recital, and I took those 7 bouquets to it. So I got rid of those, but I made the same amount of other bouquets, and I made more of those little $5 bouquets. So it was an awesome farmer's market. It was a great day. Really excited about it. So I got that done and then just hung out with my family for the evening, had a great night. And then my dad just came out and was mowing, so I mowed a little bit. He mows a lot faster than me. He gets a lot more done than I do in the same amount of time, but we got it whipped, and now I'm going to go and I'm going to weed as much as I can in my annual garden for a little bit, and that's pretty much today on the flower farm. I do have an order going to a florist tomorrow, so that's exciting. I'm going to take some buckets of blooms to them, so I'm going to have to get up early and cut those. And I saw my yarrow popping in the field. I cut my first snapdragons today. The farm is really starting to feel alive, but I've got to get after these weeds because some of them are getting bigger than the plants, which means the plants aren't getting the sun they need. So I'm going to just do as much as I can. I'm going to get all my stuff tomorrow and take it and then weed. And that's going to be, I'm going to just harvest and weed and deliver and make bouquets. And that is probably going to be my week this week. But I enjoyed all of your guys' comments. And I had my family do it this time, and it was really funny because like they also picked like 3 and 2 and 4, and like they picked a lot of them that you guys picked. I think I like the, like, lines. Like, I don't know. Like, I must have like a weird style of taste. But it's good that I do this because I don't want to make everything to my preference. I want to make some things to other people's preferences too. And I think they're all beautiful. Like, I love the flowers. But I have noticed, like, I think people like it tightly grouped together more without as much air in between each flower. So that's cool. And if you follow along, I'll keep doing it, and maybe like you can get some ideas for your flower farm or your bouquets that you make too. They don't take that long. So I mean, putting them together doesn't take that long. Growing them from seed and harvesting them and all of that might take a little bit longer. But I'm going to just get to it. I hope everybody had a great weekend, and I hope you have a great day.